I have this kenmore dishwasher. My customer's complaint was that dishwasher fills with water but it doesn't wash. The wash motor was not running. This dishwasher was getting F7E1. Customer was not able to see the F7E1 error code, but it was not doing anything. So you can reset the control board by pressing 3 buttons one by one. I got F7E1. F7E1 error code is the communication problem between the main control board and the heat element. I have the tech sheet here. If you need to use the tech sheet, it's at the back of the kick plate. And the heat element is located all the way to the back. There's one pin there and another connector on another side. I cannot put my camera there, but one line is on one side, one line is on another side. You can check that for continuity if it's okay. Make sure the wires are not disconnected. If heat element is looking good and the dishwasher is under warranty, you will replace the whole control board. If it's not under warranty, by pressing these 3 buttons 3 times, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, it will reset the whole control board, and then you don't need to replace any part. This will take care of the problem. You're gonna see the dishwasher will start working now. Right now it's on diagnostic. You can hear the dishwasher is already running, so the dishwasher is reset. Thank you.